Hi there, Randy Lindquist, Superintendent at Muskegon ISD. Super excited to be in this new space we have here at the ISD on our Tech Center property. It's called our Operations and Trade Center. It has three facets. It has a warehouse space, a space for our maintenance team, but most importantly, this space for our students in our construction trades program to get started on the right foot. Really excited to see what they have to do here and what it's going to do for us in terms of the program. Check it out.
I was graduated of the program back in 2009. Seeing this building come along is just awesome. It's great for the kids. Instead of learning out in the field and trying to just figure out how to do things, they actually have an area where they can grab the materials and learn in a controlled environment, out of the elements. It's awesome to be able to see this come full circle from 17 years ago when I went through the program.
So a part of this space we have is classroom space where the kids are going to learn techniques and things through books, videos, etc. And then they get to go to the next door into the lab space to actually practice, which we just saw, which is pretty awesome. I actually learned a few things as well. So this is a great space to learn those things, and then an awesome next space next door to actually practice the technique. We have an amazing maintenance team here at the ISD, and they do such a good job. But they've been working out of small spaces that weren't very nice. And now we have this space here for them to have all their vehicles, all the tools, and everything they need in one spot to make them more efficient. So this now is where our maintenance team gets to work out of, and they can do an even more amazing job because of the efficiencies they get in this new space. Pretty cool. Our maintenance crew also has a new work area, which is nice. And it's a good space for them to catch up on paperwork. Yes, maintenance people even have paperwork they have to deal with, unfortunately, but now they have a new space to do that in as well. We also have a new warehousing space for the organization, which is pretty cool because right now we have storage of files in different spots and basements and not very safe or secure. We can actually get those things in one central location here in this new warehouse space, which will help us a ton overall.